Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. Wish you all a very happy Durga Pujo and Navratri. সবাইকে শুভ শারদীয়ার অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা ও ভালোবাসা. Today I'm going to be creating this beautiful classic traditional Bengali makeup look. This is going to look bomb on you no matter what you are a Bengali or not. So yes, if you are interested in seeing how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching, but also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's go. So starting off with prepping our skin with a moisturizer, and this is a really good hydrating lightweight moisturizer, and this is suitable for all skin types, so no matter what skin type you have, you can use this. Next, I'm using a lip balm to prep my lips, and also this is very hydrating and moisturizing on the lips, especially if you have dry and chapped lips. This is really good. Next, I'm using M.A.C Strobe cream because I want my skin to look nice, glowy, juicy and dewy, and it looks very natural on the skin. Still, your skin looks like it's glowing from within, and I love it. And once that is done, I will directly move on to the foundation, and this is my absolutely favorite foundation of all time. I wore this on my wedding day as well. This is so long wearing, it looks beautiful on the skin, doesn't oxidize on me, and this is a full coverage matte foundation, but it looks very beautiful on the skin. It doesn't look flat matte, and once it sets and it doesn't move, and it's better that you work in sections, so it would be easier for you to blend it out. Also, it has SPF of 10. It might look a little light when I apply it, but once it settles down, it looks pretty normal and it matches me perfectly. Next, I'm using a concealer only on those areas where I feel that there is a little bit of darkness left and it looks a little gray after applying the foundation. I'm gonna use the concealer on that area to brighten it up a little bit, and also this one is a full coverage concealer. So you can see I'm using a very small amount, and then I'm gonna blend everything out with my beauty blender. Then I'm using a loose powder to set the cream products on place so that it doesn't move or doesn't budge or doesn't crease. Then to lock everything on place, I'm using a setting spray. Now coming to the brows, and as this is a festive glam makeup look, I want my brows to be nicely structured and filled in, so today I'm using a brow pencil to fill in those bald space. But as I already have thick bushy brows, I'm not gonna go overboard with it. I will just nicely fill it in, and then I will give it a little bit of structure, and that's it. Next, I'm using a brow gel to set my brow hairs on place so that it doesn't move or doesn't budge throughout the day. Now this is an optional step, you can skip it if you want. Now I'm using a compact powder to set the cheek area because I have oily skin, and if I don't set my foundation it's gonna move. I don't know, the foundation sets really quickly and it doesn't budge that much, but still I wanted to make sure that my foundation stays intact. Coming to the face, and I'm using this contour palette to give some structure to my face so that my face doesn't look flat, and I'm using it as my contour and as my bronzer because I'm not gonna use any bronzer separately. Coming to the blush, now you guys know that I love using blush, but today I'm using it very sparingly. I'm not gonna use too much, I will just lightly dust it off, and this blush is very pigmented, so a little bit is enough. Now coming to the eyes, and today I'm using this eyeshadow palette from NYX. This is a very nice compact eyeshadow palette. Taking this brown shade and applying it on the outer portion of my crease. So you can see that first I'm placing the color where I want my eyeshadows to be, and then I'm blending it out, and I'm not giving too much pressure. I'm hardly scratching my eyelids with the brush. Then I'm using this shade to blend out the edges so that everything looks nice and seamless, so that the eyeshadows doesn't look too harsh. Next I'm taking this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this beautiful shade from here, and then with the help of my finger I'm applying it on my eyelid. Now to be very honest, you can use any golden highlighter instead of this, it doesn't make that much of difference. And once done, taking the same eyeshadow brush and just blending the edges out. Next, using this tattoo liner from Maybelline, and I'm just lining my upper lash line. You don't have to be neat because I'm gonna smudge it out anyway, but try to stay as much as close to your lash line. And once that is done, I will start smudging it out with an eyeliner brush. Then I'm gonna try to line my eyes with the same eyeliner pencil, and also you can see that I'm not taking it all the way in, I'm just taking it halfway. Then using this beautiful brown shade from this palette, and I'm just smoking my eyeliner out. Now I could have used a black shade as well, but black looks a little stark, so I'm using a brown so that it looks very nice and soft and subtle. Next, I'm using a concealer to clean out the edges so that my eyeshadow looks neat. After blending the concealer, I'm going to use some loose powder on top, and after keeping it for 15 to 30 seconds, I will dust it off. Then I'm going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara. Coming to the highlighter, and today I'm using the Keto Beauty one because it's amazing. So first I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes and then all of the highest points of my face. using the same setting spray for one last time to take away all of the powderiness from my face. Then I added a bindi and some gold jewelries. And also I added sindoor, and by the way, this is what I wear on everyday basis. Now coming to the lipstick, and today I'm using the Keto Beauty one. They make amazing lipsticks, and this particular shade is so beautiful and suitable for each and every Indian skin tone. Love this shade. And that's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It means a lot to me. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.